Let's learn the third factorization method, which is difference of two squares. So here in this concept, you have to understand what is a perfect square. Perfect square is a number which will have a square root, um, or if, like for example, if I have 1 and if I do a square of that, you will get 1 only. If I sorry if I do 2 square, you will get 4. If I do 3 square, you will get 9. If you do 4 square, you will get 16, and so on. Okay, so these numbers are called perfect squares. It is a square of some number, and if you do a square root, you will get it. So now this kind of factorization will work only if there is a perfect square, and it should have only two terms. Okay, so the format will be x square minus a square. That will be the format of the question. So now when you have such a question, the answer will be x minus a, x plus a. This is the answer. So you have to remember this. There's nothing in this is not in the formula book, but you have to remember that if it is a perfect square, your answer will be x minus a, x plus a. I'll show you with some examples. If you have a question like x square minus 2 square, then it will be x minus 2, x plus 2. Pretty easy. Just take this number here and then do plus 2 and minus 2. X square minus 5 square is equal to x minus 5, x plus 5. Very easy. X square minus 10 square is equal to x minus 10, x plus 10. Okay. Sometimes they will give you the question like x square minus 9. So you have to remember that. How can I write 9? So it is like x square minus 3 square, that is equal to x minus 3, x plus 3. Okay. Again, you have x square minus 25. Remember that x square minus 5 square, it is equal to x minus 5, x plus 5. Okay. Let me see some other questions which I can show you here. Okay, they can ask you questions like 25a square minus b square, and you have to remember that 25a square can be written as 5a square minus b square, that is equal to 5a plus b, 5a minus b. Okay. Another question similar to this one, 36 minus 49y square. 49 is 7 square, 36 is 6 square, so it is 6 square minus 7y the whole square, that is equal to 6 minus 7y, 6 plus 7y. Some more examples here, a square b square minus 49, which is equal to ab plus 7, or let me just write it properly, which is equal to ab square minus 7 square, which is equal to ab minus 7, ab plus 7. Okay, another question, 9x square y square minus 1. Okay, you can rewrite 1 as, or sorry, you can rewrite 9 as 3xy square minus 1 square. 1 can be written as 1 square, and then you can write this 3xy minus 1, 3xy plus 1. So when you get an exam question, if you see that there are only two terms, and if you are able to identify the perfect square, its solution is x plus a, x plus x minus a. So you can directly write it like this. Now there is a small variation of this question which comes like 3x square minus 27y square. Now if you look at this question, you will not be able to see that their perfect square exists, okay? Because 3 is not a perfect square, 27 is not a perfect square. But you can recognize that 3 is common here, so I can just take the 3 outside and then write this as x square minus 9y square. Now 9 is a perfect square, so I can write this as x square minus 3y square. That can be written as 3 times x minus 3y, x plus 3y. Okay, by practice you will get this. Okay, then you have 12x square minus 3y square. Again, 12 and 3 is not perfect square, but you can see 3 is common, so it will be 4x square minus y square, that is equal to 3 times 2x square minus y square, that is equal to 3 times 2x minus y, 2x plus y. Okay. Again, one more, 45k square minus 20. No, both are not perfect squares. So what I will do, I'll try to take something outside. So what I will take outside out of this, maybe 5, 9k square minus 4. That's equal to 5 times 3k square minus 2 square, that's equal to 5 times 3k minus 2, 3k plus 2. The last one in this video, 4x square minus 36y square. It is 2ax the whole square minus, sorry, 36 is not a perfect square. So what you will have to do, 4 you can take it out outside, and a square x square minus 9y square, that's equal to 4 times ax square minus 3y square, that's equal to 4 times ax minus 3y, ax plus 3y.